Coordination and Control, Chapter 17. MCQ number 1. Chlorosis, yellowish yellow on leaves result from all of these: accumulation of toxic waste protection in leaves, deficiency of chlorophyll, short supplies of mineral nutrients in soils. MCQ number 2. Chemically, oxons are indole acetic acid. MCQ number 3. Gibberellins may be substituted for light, therefore promote flowering in long day plant. Red light, option B is correct. Red light. Which of the following is an antagonistic to oxygen in terms of promotion of stem growth? Option C, abscisic acid. MCQ number 5. Abscisic acid promote flowering in short day plants and inhibit in long day plants. Which of the following is antagonistic to abscisic acid in terms of flowering? Option A, gibberellins is correct. 6. The only promoter of leaf senescence in following plant hormone is abscisic acid. Option D is correct. Which of the following is used to brewing industry to promote melting? Option A, gibberellins is correct option. Which type of the receptor are present in air? Mechanoreceptor. Option B is correct. Mechanoreceptor. Type of sensation carried by nociceptors are pain. Option D is correct. Pain. Which type of sensory structures carried out to touch the sensation are present in papillae extending into ridges of fingertips? Option B is correct. 11. Which type of sensory structure carry deep pressure and vibration sensation? Pecanian corpuscles. MCQs number 12. Nasal granules are present in which part of neurons? Soma. Option D is correct. Soma. 13. Which type of following statement about neuron is incorrect? Option D, like all the living cells, when they mature and divide into form similar cells, is incorrect about neurons. MCQs number 14. Types of neurons found exclusively in central nervous system are associative neurons. Option C is correct. Associative neurons. MCQs number 15. Maintenance of normal resting potential wave movement of potassium in the cell and sodium out in is an process. Active process. Option A, active process. 16. Cell membrane under resting condition is impermeable to all ions except potassium ion. Option B is correct. Potassium ion. At the induction of action potential opening of sodium gate with flux of sodium is process. Passive transport. Normal resting membrane potential of neuron is 70 MV. Normal action potential of neuronal cell is plus 50 MV. MCQ number 20. Sodium and potassium ATP's pump is important for recovery of resting potential. Option C is correct. Recovery of resting potential.